and singing has faded, yet the sound of love remains so clear. You were destined to be brave, raised by a mother with courage. Do not be afraid, stand firm under God's providence. He always opens a way for you to succeed. Do not be afraid, dear one. The sound of weeping and sorrow has ceased. The days and times meant to pass have gone by, forgetting the time that has passed. You will move forward with courage.